Welcome to this voiceover session where we delve into the Learning Trust Data Analysis and Visualization training session. Join me as we embark on the fifth chapter of the six-part Monitoring, Evaluation and Learning series. Let us begin our journey by unraveling the concept of data visualization. At its core, data visualization is an artful process of crafting visually compelling infographics, charts, diagrams, and maps. Its ultimate goal is to distill intricate data into a concise and easily digestible format, enabling swift comprehension by readers and audiences alike. As we delve deeper into the realm of data visualization, you'll discover that it embodies the fusion of science and aesthetics akin to a captivating work of art. Data visualization transcends mere visual representation. It becomes a symphony of imagination, creativity, and design prowess. In essence, both data visualization and art share the common purpose of conveying a message, invoking emotions, and igniting fresh perspectives. In the realm of data visualization, we find a fascinating parallel with the world of art. These disciplines share common objectives, including conveying a message, balancing form and function, revealing relationships and patterns, and inspiring new perspectives. As we delve deeper into the following slides, we will unravel the intricate connections between data visualization and art, exploring each aspect in greater detail. Just as art embraces the realm of creativity and imagination, data visualization also beckons us to unleash our innovative spirit. It dares us to venture beyond the conventional, exploring the realm of novel visual metaphors, symbolic representations, and groundbreaking designs. From interactive data to captivating visual narratives, creativity finds its voice, breathing life into the world of data visualization. As we weave enchanting narratives through creative and imaginative means, we mustn't overlook the delicate equilibrium between form and function in the art of data visualization. Just as art dances between aesthetics and meaning, data visualization strives to strike a harmonious balance between visual appeal and accuracy. Within the landscape of data visualization, a multitude of platforms beckon us to realize our creative potential. Excel and PowerPoint are foundational tools, but it's important to explore other platforms such as Canva, Infogram, and Pictochart. This innovative platform offers a rich array of tools, enabling us to craft visually captivating and impactful visuals that can breathe life into our own data narratives. Recognizing the value of data visualization is crucial. Here are key aspects where data visualization excels. Number 1, enhancing communication. Visualizations facilitate seamless data sharing and are more engaging than spreadsheets. Number 2, unveiling patterns and trends. Yes, a single image conveys insights equivalent to 1,000 lines of text. Thirdly, streamlining decision-making. Visualizations simplify data analysis, enabling quick comprehension and informed action. And finally, increasing engagement. Data-driven graphics captivate audiences and effectively communicate insights. Now let us look at some of the key features of effective visualizations. Among the key features of effective visualizations are clarity, which is about ensuring easy comprehension at a glance and avoiding confusion or lengthy interpretation. Simplicity, which is about keeping visualizations clean and uncluttered to focus on the primary message. Then accuracy, which is presenting data truthfully, avoiding distortion for any specific narrative or agenda. We mustn't forget relevance, which is about utilizing data that supports the visualization's main arguments and resonates with the intended audience. There's also consistency, which is about maintaining uniform formatting, colors, and designs for a coherent and understandable visualization. Finally, there's interactivity and aesthetics, which ultimately are about avoiding complexity while also ensuring appeal. Let us dive into some visuals that can be considered effective. Here is a 100% column chart illustrating the distribution of after-school tutor qualifications across provinces in 2023. This chart leaves no room for confusion. With clear titles, axis labels, and data labels, it's easy to distinguish the different qualification splits per province. The chart also provides the total number of tutors per each province, eliminating any guesswork. The effective use of colors further enhances the chart's readability, making it a breeze to interpret. It's a simple yet powerful visualization that delivers the information with clarity. Now take a closer look at this insightful donut chart, revealing the distribution of funding among various types of after-school programs supported by funders. Each segment represents a specific program category, with the size of the segment directly proportional to the funding received. The chart unmistakably showcases a dominant allocation of funding towards academic and e-learning initiatives. Transparency is paramount, as the creators of this chart openly acknowledge the sample size of 20 responses collected for this analysis. The careful selection of colors ensures each segment is easily distinguishable, leaving no room for misinterpretation. And then we have this clustered column chart presenting pre- and post-assessment outcomes on the career pathways conducted by the Fiverr After School Foundation Club. The intelligent use of different colors in the columns allows the target audience to easily differentiate between pre- and post-surveys. To provide additional clarity, data labels have been included indicating the percentage differences between the pre- and post scores. This chart demonstrates the power of creativity and ingenuity in data visualization. By precisely identifying what you want to convey, you can select the most suitable chart type to effectively communicate your message. Now let us discuss a few common errors that you will need to stay clear of when developing visualizations for your data. When it comes to data visualization, there are plenty of pitfalls that can trip us along the way, from choosing the wrong chart to misleading scales, unlabeled X's and legends, and even going overboard with colors and effects. Each one poses its own challenges. And let's not forget the importance of tailoring our visuals to captivate and engage our audience. Sometimes we just miss it. Now, let us dive into some real examples and see how these pitfalls can impact our visuals. Strap in, because we are about to uncover the dawns of data visualization. Now take a look at this chart. At first glance, it seems promising, but upon closer examination, we discover missed opportunities for clarity. The axis starts at 30% instead of 0%, which distorts the size comparison between the columns. This can lead to misinterpretation and skewed perceptions. Additionally, the absence of data labels hinders readability. Without the exact percentage values for each column, it becomes more challenging to grasp the precise representation of data. When you look at this chart, it appears to depict a continuous increase in the number of learners enrolled in the program year after year. However, looks can be deceiving. This chart was created using cumulative data, which means it represents the total number of learners added to the program over time rather than the number of new students enrolling each year. This subtle but crucial distinction can lead to misinterpretation and paint an inaccurate picture of enrollment trends. It's a reminder that we must carefully consider the data we choose to represent and ensure that our visualizations accurately reflect the intended message. As we near the conclusion of this training, it is crucial that we examine the various chart types and how to select the optimal chart based on the data. Data visualization is a deliberate and purposeful process, not a random or haphazard one. The type of data visualization you choose depends on the specific analysis or information you wish to present. It's important to consider the goal of your visualization. When comparing data items, a different visual approach is needed compared to when showcasing the distribution of variables. Each scenario requires a tailored visualization technique that effectively communicates a desired message. In fact, there are 4 main areas where data visualization can be employed: to show distribution, relationship between variables, composition, and comparison. Understanding these areas helps guide the selection of appropriate visualization methods that align with your data and analysis objectives. We will expand on each of these main areas in our data analysis and visualization hacks, also featured on the Learning Trust YouTube channel. Congratulations! We have reached the end of our data visualization training slideshare. Your learning journey doesn't have to stop here. There are plenty of visualization hack videos on our YouTube channel that can help further enhance your understanding of key concepts. By exploring these videos, you'll be able to expand your knowledge and discover new techniques to create impactful and engaging visualizations. Stay curious and keep exploring. Until next time, happy visualizing.